2014 Topps Tier 1, number 17. Here we go. Oh my God, Omar. Here are your squads. Again, I apologize for the Manicam logo. That will be gone tomorrow. Good luck, everybody. Let's go, Sox. 3 and 6. Hey, Lou, go get a couple spots in that Bowman Jumbo Random. That's going down tonight. Some Pudge and some Wangan. I'll certainly try. Hopefully we can keep the magic from the other day. Oh, you got a squad in the pre-price, Lou? That's pretty nasty. Awesome, dude. Gracias. See how much Spanish I'm speaking now that I'm here? Gracias. That's the extent. Good luck, everybody. What's up, Alan? Cubs in 19. Awesome. Thank you, thank you. Number 299, Adrian Beltre. Not much, man. Thanks for grabbing some squads. Number 99 for the White Sox, Chris Sale. Going to that Bab. Number 399 for the White Sox. Going to Bab. Matt Davidson. Bab's on a heater tonight. Very nice, very nice. Bab's on a heater. When's the random? It's 2 of the 3 cards in the first hat or box. Number 299, Albert Bell. That's correct. That's correct, Alan. They're coming up shortly. Number 299, Al Kaline. Number 399, Jared Cozart. I have not, Homarv. I have not. I know. I wondered why it's been so peaceful. Number 299, Shin-Soo Choo. Number 25 for the Baltimore Orioles, Rafael Palmeiro. Number 399 for the Pirates, Starling Marte. I got to tell you, though, Homarv, I see how you act in other people's rooms. Maybe if you acted like that in here, you would maybe get some good mojo, maybe a little good luck, you know? Just throwing that out there. Instead of wanting to shank me every waking second. Number 25, Albert Bell. Indians. Number 299, Michael Bourne. And number 25, Juan Gonzalez. No, I'm generally a dick everywhere. And number 25, Anthony Gose for the Blue Jays. That's the problem, though, Homarv. I like you. That's the problem. Number 299, Jackie Bradley Jr. Number 299, Mark Trumbo. Number 399, Didi Gregorius. Bowman Hobby pre-priced. Innovation. Bowman Jumbo Randoms. National Treasures Football. What else we got in there? Trumbo is on the Diamondbacks, I believe. Yes, Diamondbacks. Number to 25. Oh, nasty card. Jorge Posada. Number to 99 for the Phillies. Steve Carlton. Acetate. And number to 399, Alex Cobb. Phillies with a nice little hit. Going Julian. That was the break, everybody. That was number 17. Thank you.